My name is Aaliyah Funchal and I am a junior studying sport management. At Wichita State, I am currently the campus representative for the American Athletic Conference and their digital network. So I provide stories about our student athletes and I give it to them and they post it through their network so all of the American Athletic Conference can see it. Going into college, I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do yet because I knew I liked reporting and I liked all of that and I loved sports. And my dad gave me the advice to just do what I love, not just what I'm good at, because I was good at business and marketing and things like that, but I didn't enjoy it as much as I enjoyed being around sports. And then when I got to Wichita State, I fell into the sport management department because my older brother is also sport management, and I loved the environment that it had there. It just felt like a big family, and whenever they were telling me about the program, I just fell in love with it, and I'm like, that's exactly what I want to do. What I really enjoy about getting to do this job is it's not just about what happens on the court and the stats and who the best scorer was or the highest rebounder, but I really get to find those side stories about the athletes that a lot of people don't know about, and I get to know them on more of a personal level, and I get to share that with everyone else. Because of Wichita State, I've gotten to do a lot of fun things. I've covered 2 NCAA tournaments, I've covered conference tournaments, and most recently I went to New York for the NIT Final Four at Madison Square Garden. And I never thought I would be able to have those opportunities, especially as a young student. I was doing that as a freshman, sophomore, now I'm a junior and still getting those opportunities. I feel like if I were at a different school, I wouldn't have those opportunities. I've had so many people that have gone to bigger schools say, how did you get to do that? That's so cool, I wish I could do that. And I'm like, Wichita State just really helps place you in where you're meant to be, and they will give you those opportunities and support you, and they'll get to just help you out, and they want to see you succeed. I would say my biggest goal is to make it to ESPN. I would love to host a show and get to interview different athletes or people in the sports industry. Before that, I think it'd be really cool to be a sideline reporter. That is a dream of mine as well. I just want to be able to have a big platform as well, not only to share these sports stories, but like I said, to empower other women and other people and be a role model for people that want these experiences and want to do what I'm doing. And I just feel like whichever way I can reach people the best would be a dream of mine. I've also started my own platform called Sports with Aaliyah, so I get to do reporting about anything. I do everything Wichita State and in the Wichita community, but I also use that as a way to talk about what I do and try to inspire other people to go after their dreams. And I would like to build that up a lot as well as be on ESPN. I think in the social media age, it's really cool that we get to reach literally anyone in the world. And so I really want to be kind of a person that can influence other people to be bold enough to go after what they want.